won the match and let's have a sandwich party. Oh, you mean to say you have won the match and you're going to throw a sandwich party? You know, my grandfather was also there in the stadium to encourage me. Okay, your grandfather was also there to encourage you? Yes, that is what I mean. Are you tired of stumbling over words and mispronouncing them in your everyday conversations? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video is just for you to find out those mistakes and correct them. Hello everyone, I'm Davinder from INSTA Inc. and today we are going to take up 20 most commonly mispronounced words. So let's get started. The first word is this. How do you pronounce it? It's not mischievous, it's mischievous. Mischievous. He is mischievous yet handsome. And from this sentence, we'll take our next word, which is handsome. It's not handsome, but handsome. D is silent there. The sentence is, he looked handsome as he enjoyed his sandwich. Another word where D jumps in and wants to make its presence felt, but is ignored, is sandwich. It's sandwich, not sandwich. Let's take up the word in a sentence. She enjoys eating sandwiches for breakfast. Next word is enjoy. Enjoy. It's not enjoy, enjoy. Joy, the syllable is to be stressed. That is why it's written in capital letters. She enjoys reading a good book on the beach. She enjoys the softness of the handkerchief. The subsequent word handkerchief may look tricky, but with practice, you'll get it right. So there are 3 syllables and the first syllable is to be stressed. Handkerchief. Handkerchief. The nurse wiped her face with a handkerchief gifted by her grandfather. Let's honor our beloved grandfathers by pronouncing their title correctly. It's not grandfather, but grandfather. There are 3 syllables and the first syllable is to be stressed. Grandfather. Grandfather. I play chess with my grandfather every Sunday to enhance my skills. It can be pronounced as enhance or enhance. The word enhance, it's all about making things better and adding that special touch. There are 2 syllables to the word enhance or enhance. So the second syllable is to be stressed. Enhance. Enhance. He encouraged adding spices to enhance the flavor of the dish. Encourage is a powerful word that we use to support others. Encouraged, not encourage. That is encourage. So the second syllable is to be stressed. Courage. Encourage. Working effectively can encourage better results. When something is effective, it gets the thing done. We effectively bury the things so that they stay safe and out of the way. Bury is a word we use when we hide something underground. It's not bury, but it's bury. The engineer helped bury the cables underground. This word is used for someone who designs and builds things. It's not engineer, but engineer. The engineer used a coupon to buy supplies for the project. This word coupon is mostly mispronounced as coupon. It's not coupon, but coupon. Coupon. She used a coupon to purchase a dress with a stress on the first syllable per. Purchase. Purchase. It is not purchase, but purchase. She purchased a lottery ticket and won a prize. Next word is not won, but won. Won. Won is the word we use when we are victorious in a competition or a game. He won the first place and gave a demonstration of his skills. Next word is demonstration. It's not demonstration, but demonstration. And there are 4 syllables to it. Demonstration. Demonstration. The demonstration showcased various patterns in a simple manner. The mischievous child had a pattern of causing trouble. The next word is pattern. It's not patron, but pattern. Next up is daughter. Daughter. Dog. Oh. It's not daughter, but daughter. My daughter and I enjoy delicious breakfast every morning. The second last word is breakfast. Breakfast. It's not breakfast, but breakfast. Let's use it in a sentence. The restaurant offers a tasty breakfast buffet with wide variety of options. Let's now take the last word. Is it buffet or buffet? It's buffet pronounced by the British and buffet by the Americans. So you can pronounce in either or either way. Keep practicing and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye for now.